I had these as sneaker of the year, but did y'all know that these were made from the Crenshaw sign? Crazy, right? And they come with extra soles? I don't know no more, man. Hit the B-roll. I don't know, man. I think I'm still going with the born and raised. Y'all let me know in the comment section below which one y'all think is the best. I mean, both from LA, both skate shops, both doing good for their community. I say they both win. But today we here to talk about the Crenshaw Skate Club SB Dunks. I finally got the time to give y'all my full review in 4K. When I first saw pictures of this sneaker, I did not like it. I did not like how this amber burgundy mixed with this blue. But when it got here and I opened the box, aww, I liked it a lot, man. Yes, sir, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy, C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Hopefully this ain't your first and last time. Hit the notification. Everything the YouTubers say, let's do. In this video today, I'm going to give y'all my honest 4K review on the CSC Dunks. For some reason, I always want to say CSC Skate Club. And we're going to get really in depth, man. Not a lot of talking. Well, a little bit of talking. The other day, Sneakers did the reserve for the SBs. I think it was the eBay Dunks. Both the Run the Jewel joints. The orange emerald sunrise joints that came out a couple of weeks ago. And there was two others I can't remember, man. I hope y'all hit. SBs is getting so hard to buy now. It's like they reversing it on the Jordan 1. It used to be Jordan 1 so crazy. But since SBs made their revival, SBs kind of took that. The sneaker game's been weird. But SBs is something that kind of stay consistent. And now, let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we get that same SB box for the year, the white with the silver, the chrome look. As y'all can see, mine is a little beat up, but I don't wear the box. I hardly even keep these boxes. Everything goes in the crepe box, but mine is beat up. It reads Nike Dunk Low SB Sail Light Blue Cedar. Right? Cedar, not cider. Cedar. Yeah. When you flip open the lid, you get your SB tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. There's a 360 view of the CSC Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. In pictures, man, I did not like this sneaker, man. In hand is different. In pictures, it's hard to see, boom, that this toe box is like a nubuck suede and it's gray. You can't tell the gray hits in the picture like you could in hand, guys. This nice peeled back blue swoosh, when it peels back, it looks like that. I like it, but I feel like it can be peeled off too quick, too fast. That's my opinion, because it looks like it's cracking already, and I didn't even wear the sneaker yet. So, be mindful of that. More the inside than the outside, guys. But yeah, besides the nubuck suede hits, there go your cedar or burgundy look. And with the baby blue or turquoise green. Turbo green would be a good exact colorway if you owned the turbo green Jordan 1s. That's kind of the color you getting. What's crazy is that somehow they made this match with the Chargers jersey, the San Diego Chargers jersey, because they came out with San Diego Chargers. Well, it's Los Angeles now. That's probably why. Los Angeles Charger colorway to match this, and it matched. But let's get back to the sneaker. On the right side of the shoe, you got CSC on the back. I'm sure that changes to Nike on the other one, but on the right side, the right foot, you get the CSC logo there. On your tongue, you get the CSC logo again, Nike Dunk Pro. And on the back, it says Crenshaw Skate Club. Besides on the back of the tongue, the inside soles that come with the sneaker says Crenshaw Skate Club in that nice cedar burgundy look. Now you know a sneaker dope when we really got to talk about the bottom. Usually I tell y'all if you seen one Nike Dunk, you seen one Jordan 1, but not here, man. Start at the top, you got a nice white cloud up here. Then your Nike SB logo is in that nice baby blue in the middle. And then the bottom, you got a nice kid with some builder bricks that says, it's a C and an S. So I guess the other C is missing. It should be on the other foot. And notice it's a black kid. The owner of the Crenshaw Skate Club wanted to make sure more black and brown people were seen. So that's why he came up with the whole skate club in the first place. That was the right, this is the left, and like I said, the other C is there. So we got both of them there. You got a palm tree here with the same cloud from the right side. Same bottom as far as the baby blue, just the characters changed and a palm tree is added. Before I show you the inside, it does come with the cedar, wine color, and yellow. So this is how it kind of matches the Los Angeles Charger jersey. You got to add the yellow shoelaces, which I plan on doing, even though I'm a Cowboy fan. So there go the soles that come matched or come inside. Looks just like the right side, nothing changed there. This did change on the back. You have the same kids on the bottom. The other one just said Crenshaw Skate Club. That one actually have the kids with the blocks. CSC, Nike SB is still the same. And like I told you on the back, it changed to Nike. So one shoe says CSC, one shoe says Nike. And they actually changed that Nike logo up. You know I like that logo, but this one is dope also. So now on the back here, we have Japanese writing. Well, I shouldn't say Japanese writing, but that's the kind of look I got. Like on them yellow Jordan 5s, that it really was like an upside down 23. But it, like I showed y'all earlier, that sign, that's just another nod to that Crenshaw sign. It looks just like it now that you know what it stands for. I didn't talk much about the peeling color because I didn't like it at first. It's growing on me now. But it's also the nod to that sign also, guys. Like, you know, like that sign is old, the rust, the paint and peeling. That's what you get from this. And yeah, man, besides the icy bottom, I think I done told y'all everything. But I really like these soles better than the ones that come. But no one's really seeing the soles. I got numbers on my soles. I guess they numbered them. But this is also has the zoom technology in there. But yeah, I like these ones better because they look more like the bottom of the shoe. So I kind of like these ones better. Yes, sir. So that's a review on the Crenshaw Skate Club Nike SB Dunks. I hope they get more collabs and more situations, because all he did with this one was give nod to a sign that he grew up with, right? Imagine if he starts to get more in his bag. The sneaker would be even crazier, man. Again, my nod is still to the born and raised joint, but there's so much similarities between that sneaker and this sneaker. It really don't matter at this time, man. Y'all can let me know in the comment section below which ones y'all feeling the best. Like, which one would you run to quicker? But I kind of like this look, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, happy Sunday. Everybody, get rich.